I'm in Ottawa, Kansas at the car show. I'm sitting in my son's 51 Chevrolet. And we're fixing to go on the cruise. We got a badass 57 in front of us. A whole bunch of cars. I'm gonna do some more video while we're doing the cruise. And the 3-day event, I ain't got to see my son in a long time, so kind of a good time. There you go, Katana. That's a car right there. There's all kinds of good looking cars here. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. That car lined up for miles here, 3 wide. I found this, y'all check this thing out.
Good enough.
This goes straight up. That's how it really was. And then try it on.
We'll find some more in a little while.
It's got a small block forward. You want to get in? Can you come over here and get in and have your mom take your picture?
I know, he'll have to clean it again, won't he?
This is my son, 51. Pretty neat old car. He saved it from a field. Got my cigarettes and stuff sitting in the dash. He's starting on it. He got a pretty good start going on. There's the cars beside us. Y'all check that yellow car out. Good car. See if y'all can figure this out. We got one battery there, massive horsepower, and we got another battery there. That one runs the starter, and this one runs everything else. Pretty creative. By the way, folks, this is my son, Tommy.
Hello.
He looks like his daddy, but I'm better looking. We fixed to do the cruise. Take y'all on a ride. Be back in a minute. Alright folks, here we go.
start moving here in a couple minutes.
thing right there is sharp. Y'all see the old Pinto up there? Haven't seen one of them in a long time.
A buddy of mine parks here.
I know the light's not real good. Old Model A's.
The hot rodded ones, the dads, and the stock ones, the sons.
Check out that old Chevrolet pickup. Camaro. There is all kinds of cars to see here. The old Carmen here. I like that old Chevrolet pickup with the flatbed on it. Yeah, y'all check out this Volkswagen. That's hard to do. Damn, what's that? He got a little pony in there.
My pinstriper buddy did those too.
You know your dad airbrushes, right?
Yeah.
Watch it scoop on this car. Oh, it was shaking a while ago. Let me know when we get the fifth in and get it. If he video on me, video on him, video on me. Y'all check out this orange car. I had an old truck like that when I left to go back to Texas. She got a cam in her, boys. check this thing out. Is it unique or what?
Stacy, this is Kathy.
I found me a cool spot in the shade,
Yep, with some
and I'm
cars
gonna
back
sit
there.
right here and video the cars going by.
Yeah. Is this compared to your guys' car shows?
This is my grandson, Connor.
Hi.
See that old truck. We're sitting in the park in Ottawa, Kansas. Nothing in this park is newer than 1972. And there is cars everywhere.
This is hard. Ow. It was the thing who did it. Don't be calling him a name. Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's because nobody's getting out.
We got the best spot in the whole damn place. They just come right to us. We don't have to go to them.
That's a nice car.
Yes, it is. Look at the paint on that thing. Yep. Well, gotta go. See y'all later. I didn't do it. Whatever it is, I didn't do it.
You should tell him you'll run him for 100. Right? I don't think he's so gross. He sounds better than 200.
You can literally feel the ground shaking. I wish I'd have brought my tripod. I just set it up right here.
That's my oldest son there. He built that truck.
I like the way he did that.
He's got a 79 black, blue and white dually. He's airbag too. He drives it all over. Kansas City, Missouri. He drives all over. 4 hours one way from the village he drove it. Twice, 3 times.
I got it video and I'm got it propped up on my knee here. conglomeration of shit right there.
And he's had, I know, for years. Probably more than that.
That's the way to do it.
Check out the fire. Nobody you go smoking.
You're good at going the other way.
Yeah, Winchester.
Does that work?
Making a lap on the cruise circuit again. making him drive.